The Teledong is a realistic motion controller for adult strokers. It detects your motion along the shaft, and you can forward this motion to strokers like the handy anywhere in the world. This video is a tutorial on how to get started. The Teledong needs a computer to function. You use software on this computer to control strokers using the Teledong. This tutorial will focus on the official software Teledong Commander, but there also exists third-party services like Ava Remote that you can use instead. First, download Teledong Commander from teledong.com. You can find a link in the description of this video if you are watching on YouTube. Install and open the program and connect the Teledong via USB. Click the Connect button in the input area, and you should see activity in the motion graph below. If you stroke the Teledong now, you should see this graph move up and down accordingly. If the movement doesn't seem right, you might need to calibrate the device. This can be the case if you are facing the sensors towards very bright sources of light, such as windows during daytime. The sensors are located on this side of the shaft, same side as the scrotum. If you need to calibrate the device, click the Calibrate button, then stroke repeatedly along the entire length of the shaft for 10 seconds, like this. When the motion looks good, you can add a connection to the handy stroker by clicking this Add button. Enter the stroker's connection key here and click Connect. The stroker should now start moving, mimicking your action with the Teledong. If you are streaming video with a partner, you can use this latency control slider at the bottom to precisely match the video latency with the stroker motion. If the stroker does not start moving, verify that the handy is updated to the latest firmware, version 4. This firmware was recently released and is required for streaming data from the Teledong. And there you have it. Enjoy your new Teledong.